Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different makeup look for you. This is not my usual simple glowing makeup look. I wanted to do something inspired by autumn, winter that's coming up, and I wanted to do something different, a bold lip, which is totally out of my comfort zone. I had no idea what I was doing with my makeup today. I decided to just have a play around and I came up with this smoky wing and pretty simple base makeup but a bold lip. It just makes me think of autumn winter. So I hope you enjoy watching. It is quite different for me, so let me know if you like it or not. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy, and otherwise I'm going to get on with the tutorial right now. I am going to jump straight in with my eyes, and I'm going to start out with the Lolo eye primer. I feel like it's been so long since I've done a tutorial, so I hope I don't, stuff it up royally. So I'm going in with, I always go for this yellow side. I don't know, just always reach for that one. So I'm just applying this with my finger. Obviously, you guys can see that. I'm going to use some Nude by Nature products today. I haven't really been using a lot of eyeshadow lately. I've actually been using highlighter and bronzer on my eyes because I'm so lazy. So I've just been, instead of getting more and more products out, I just use the same products on my face and my eyes because I'm lazy. I am not using the RMS Beauty Unpowder today. I'm using the Nude by Nature Mineral Finishing Veil. I'm just going to set the primer on my lids with this. So I'm thinking, and I could regret this, but I'm thinking of doing some sort of smoky wing. Yes, let's do it. Okay, I'm starting out with the Hynt Beauty High Definition Eyeliner in brown. So I'm just going over the main part of my lid. Doesn't matter if it's not super neat because I'm planning on smudging it out. Just going to get that into the waterline as well. I'm really lazy. I should probably sharpen this pencil because it will make my life easier, but I just cannot be bothered today. Okay, I'm going to start creating my wing now. Best thing about using a pencil is it's so much easier to correct if you stuff it up. So just from the bottom lash line out to the tail of the brow. I know this looks bad so far, but trust me, we will fix it up. Just going to go in with an angled liner brush and kind of clean all of that up. I'm being lazy and wiping off the product on the back of my hand, but you can use makeup remover just to clean off the brush. This will give you a nice sharp line without having to use tape. So this is just giving us our initial sort of shape. I think what I want to do is get some shadow and kind of build it up in towards my crease. Taking the Nude by Nature filthy, Nude by Nature Natural Wonders Eye Palette. So I think I'm going to go in with this brown, light brown here and just start mapping out some of the shape and bringing it back into the crease. I swear there is like a black hole where my brushes go missing. I have no idea where that just went to. Taking another angled brush, and I'm just going to start mapping out. So kind of looking down on an angle and just start mapping out my crease. So you want to make sure that you get it sort of above the crease and keep looking back and looking straight ahead as you go. And I don't actually want to be able to see this the whole way through. I just want to be able to see this on the outer edge here. I find this eye is a little bit more droopy too. So now that I've kind of mapped out where I want the eyeshadow to go, I'm just going to go in with a very small brush and start building up that colour. So I've just continued building up that colour. I'm kind of happy with the shape now. So I'm going to go in with a darker colour, this dark brown here, and a small angled brush. And I'm going to start building that up just on the outer corner here, just so it blends in a little bit more with the eyeliner. So you want a nice gradient where you have that smokiness that's a little bit lighter on the outside and it gets a little bit darker towards the very outer edge here and closest to the lash line. So I'm just carefully continuing to place that darker colour, really careful where I'm putting it, and just lightly blending it out. I'm just going to go back in with the lighter brown and a really soft small brush and just go around the outer edge again just to soften everything out. And to be nice and smoky, nothing too harsh. So I think I'm going to leave my eyes as they are for now, and I'm going to go in and just finish my base so that we can move it right along. I'm taking my Kjaer Weis cream foundation in Paper Thin. I'm just going to apply that with a brush today. For some concealer, I'm taking the Nude by Nature Flawless Concealer in 04 Rose Beige. This is just a nice neutral concealer. And I'm just focusing that on the inner part of my eye here where I need some coverage for these dark circles. Using my finger to blend that in. I'm lazy, as you all know. I'm taking my Nude by Nature Mineral Finishing Veil again and applying that under my eyes and just on my T-zone. For my lower lash line, I think I'm just going to go back in with the same light brown. I don't really want to do too much under there because I don't want to take away from the wing effect. Sometimes I think, I mean, it's good if you can join it all up and make it look sort of polished, but I don't like to go too heavy under my eyes. Sort of just connects to that outer corner there. So I'm taking the Nude by Nature Mascara. This is Allure Defining Mascara in Black. Going to warm up my face with the Nude by Nature Pressed Matte Mineral Bronzer. This is a very dark bronzy bronze. Bronzy bronze, really? My descriptive word attempts have not improved, as you can tell. So nothing special going on here, just my usual bronzing routine. For my highlighter, I'm going with the Nude by Nature Highlight Stick in 01 Champagne. And lastly, it would not be an autumn winter look without a bold lip. So I have something really different for me. Nude, peach, orangey sort of colours. Yes, I have a lot of them. This, not so much. This is the Perez Cacao Lip Butter color. This is the Perez Cacao Butter Lip Color in Wonder. I'm a little bit scared. I don't know how pigmented this is. If it's sheer or if it's going to be like boom. So it's kind of sheer but not, if that makes any sense at all. I don't know how I feel about this, guys. This is not my usual thing, but I think it's quite a cool colour if you like bold colours. It's nice and comfortable to wear. The only thing with colours like this is that I feel like they make your lips look smaller. So this is my finished autumn, winter, fall, whatever you want to call it, makeup look. I love how my eyes turned out and the fact that I sort of didn't care what I was doing today. That usually happens when you're not trying, you just do something and it works, and when you really want to do it and you've got your mindset on something, you usually stuff it up. So I am really happy with the eye makeup. I think the lips, it's a beautiful product. I can feel like the product is really nice. It feels beautiful and comfortable and nourishing on the lips. I'm not used to these sort of colors, so let me know what you think of the lip color, if you like it or not. It's very different for me, but either way, I hope that you enjoyed watching my tutorial today. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching today. Otherwise, have a fantastic week. Thank you all again so much for your support. I really do appreciate your likes and your subscribes. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!